Move the structure around in the current view. Rotate the structure in 3D view. Zoom in and out on the structure. Center the graphical entities in the current view. Zoom in to view the selection rectangle. Use the magnifying glass zoom tool attached to your mouse cursor. Zoom into the selected entity. Restore the view to the previous zoom level. Restore the view to the following zoom level. Move the structure around in the current view, keeping the scroll wheel button pressed. Keeping the right mouse button pressed rotates the structure in 3D view. Increase or decrease zoom level using the scroll wheel. The F2 function key centers the graphical entities in current view. The F3 function key zooms in to view the selection rectangle. The F4 function key to view the magnifying glass zoom tool attached to the mouse cursor. Shift and F2 restores the view to the previous zoom level. Shift and F3 restores the view to the next zoom level.